How are you doing at the weekend? For me, because it's raining outside the whole day, so I'm thinking of baking. That's also my favorite in the kitchen. So, what I want to do today, I will do the apple galette or apple pie. Just follow me, let's see how I make it.
It's snowing. Okay, back to baking. So this recipe I'm inspired by Joe Bakes. You can see in my description for more detail. What we need: the apples, the almond powder, the almond slice, 2 eggs, the sugar, the almond aroma, vanilla extract, butter with room temperature, all-purpose flour, and pie dough. The pie dough, if you want to do, you can follow Joe Bakes for the method, and the icing sugar. Please check our description for more detail. With the apple, we slice very thinly, and remember to remove the core. Look my apple now, very beautiful. I love this color. Now we make the almond cream. We can use the robot, food processor, or hand mixer. We add the almond powder, the sugar, the flour, the butter, and first the egg yolk. And later I will put the one more whole egg, almond aroma, and a little bit vanilla extract. Now we mix around 2 or 3 minutes. Look at my almond cream now. Next step, we spread out the almond on the dough. We spread over the center of the dough, leaving about 5 cm ring on the outside. And now we arrange the apples over the almond cream. Try to make the slice very close together. I almost finished. And now I add some slice in some place not yet full filled. Now we fold the uncovered dough over the apples and cream to keep it in place. Then we freeze in freeze about 20 minutes. During this time, we preheat oven to 200 degrees. So after 20 minutes, we take out, we brush the crust with egg wash and sprinkle the sugar over the crust. So we brush around the dough. The egg wash is the way you mix 1 egg with a little bit of water to make the dough become golden. Now in oven first 20 minutes. At this step, we should reduce the oven to 180 degrees. So after 20 minutes, I see my dough not yet good color like I expect. So I put in oven more 20 minutes, but at this time I reduce the temperature to 160 degrees. And now, look my tart. For the almond slice, we roast on the medium fire very quickly, and then we sprinkle the almond on the top of the pie and the icing sugar on top. Now look at that.